So, to my horror, I found out that I'm now being retaliated against by Veterans Health Administration at the Spartanburg, South Carolina VA clinic location for asking for the basic information about who on earth is involved in trying to be involved in my health care, which I'm legally entitled to as a patient, and also for trying to get health care now for months and trying to get community care more specifically. They really don't want veterans to have access to community care because it affects their bottom line and they want to keep that money in their pockets. That's what this is about, bonus money and everybody getting paid at Veterans Health Administration while veterans are held hostage and have no health care options. And I found out about this because I went to my medical record. If you were a military veteran going to Veterans Health Administration, check your medical record immediately. You may be shocked at what's in there. Check it. Some of the information actually supports my claims that I've been making, which is going to be very important moving forward. And then other information is just incredibly retaliatory. It seems to be coming from a specific provider in particular, but everyone's signing off on it at that clinic from what I can tell because they're all CC'd. So they're very much all in on it, is from what I can tell based upon the medical record. And yeah, it's just really awful. And this is why I'm trying to go, why I've been going outside the US for healthcare, and why I'm going to continue to, and why I'm paying 100% out of pocket for healthcare, is because this is the type of system that I and so many other veterans are being subjected to. This is abuse towards patients, but this is what's going on. And I've heard from other veterans of similar stories. Honestly, it seems so wild to me. I was like, what? You know, but now I'm dealing with it too. And I've only tried to get very little health care from Veterans Health Administration because they have a horrible reputation, which they've earned, and they don't treat people very well. And I actually wrote a book called Veterans Affairs Whistleblower Retaliations on VanessaLeck.com. And you may not know, but Veterans Affairs is actually the #1 federal agency for whistleblower retaliation in the entire federal government. And evidently that now extends to the patients, not just the employees. So God help you if you're a veteran.